apparel store discounting item of clothing with ad sent. Ang ad can be a selection indicator. Kukunin natin yung mga ad letters. Discounting can be a deletion indicator since binaba yung price, so parang binawasan. I think apparel store ang definition. Okay. Ad sent. So, since na play sa huli, set discounting item of clothing. Lalaruin natin yung clothing, I think. Pero, ano yung, or item? Item can be a thing. So, tatanggalin yung thing sa clothing. CLO. Closet. Apparel store. Check. Tama. Bye.